We are now looking specifically at the arithmetic series AP. It is called AP because it is the same as arithmetic progression. So we want to look at how we can find the nth term of an AP. And example 1 says we are given the arithmetic progression 4, 9, 14, and it continues. This is actually a sequence, but this sequence here forms an arithmetic series. So they can also call it the arithmetic progression simply because it forms the arithmetic series. But the most important thing is focus on what the question is asking. It is not your duty to always identify that this is a sequence, this is a series. No. Your task is identify if there is a common difference of terms or there is a common ratio of terms. So the question says, find the 15th term. How do we find the 15th term in this case? Now the formula for getting the nth term of an AP is that the nth term un equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. This is the formula that was not quoted when we were doing the introduction. This is how we get the nth term of an AP. So for example, if we are looking at the 15th term, we shall have our solution that the nth term of an AP is given by the first term a plus n minus 1 times d. What is a? A is the first term. What about n? N is the term number that you are looking for. So this is number of terms. Or the term number. And then what about d? We say d is the common difference. So I may not be defining them time and again, but you keep in mind that this is how the terms are defined. So what is our first term? The first term is always the first number in the given sequence or series. And from there, our first term a is 1. Sorry, is 4. Remember we said first term is also the same as u1. So instead of putting a here, someone can use u1. Depends on what is convenient for you. So we have the first term. How do we get the common difference? We say, since they have said it is an AP series, our common difference d becomes the difference between any two consecutive terms. For example, 9 minus 4. This gives us 5. Or, what if someone had decided to use any other two consecutive terms? For example, 19 and 14. Still the common difference d becomes 19 minus 14, and you still get the common difference of 5. So if they have said it is an AP, then just get the common difference by subtracting any two terms. Remember, it is a term at a given position minus the term before it. Like for example here, 9 minus 4. It is 9 minus 4, not 4 minus 9. Okay. Also here I say 19 minus 14. So it is the term after minus the term before. Now that we have our first term and we have our common difference, then we can find our 15th term. Because in our 15th term, our n is simply 15. So now our solution becomes that the 15th term, u15, equals to a. What is a? A is the first term, 4, plus n. N is 15 minus 1 times d. D is the common difference, which is 5. And then you press the calculator. Here we shall have 4 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times 5. This becomes, you first operate this side, so we shall have 4 plus 14 times 5. On the calculator, I'm getting 70. 70 plus 4, I'm getting 74. So the 15th term of the sequence or the AP series above is 74. The 15th term is a number in position 15. So that is the answer for example 1. And a key takeaway when we are finding the nth term of an AP is this formula. This formula is very important, that the nth term of an AP is given by the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So this is the solution to example 1. We shall be going to example 2. Otherwise, this is your tutor here, and the program is Vision Plus.